You wake up every morning feeling like your body's fighting a battle you can't see. Your joints ache, you're constantly tired, and nothing seems to help. Whether it's arthritis, eczema, psoriasis, cardiovascular disease, allergies, fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, or sinusitis, that invisible enemy is inflammation, silently affecting millions of people just like you. But here's what your doctor isn't telling you. The solution to fighting chronic inflammation isn't another expensive supplement or a complicated diet plan. It's literally sitting in your kitchen right now. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 8 powerful drinks backed by science that can help. Number 1, eliminate persistent joint pain. Number 2, boost your energy levels naturally. Number 3, help you finally feel like yourself again. The best part? You can start using these simple remedies today. And number 6, it completely changed my life. I'm Vanel, an RN dedicated to sharing health tips that make a real difference. Let's dive right into these incredible anti-inflammatory drinks. First up, let's talk about turmeric ginger tea, a potent combination that not only combats inflammation but also supports overall digestion. This powerhouse drink harnesses the power of 2 incredible ingredients, turmeric and ginger. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research shows that curcumin can significantly reduce markers of inflammation in the body, making turmeric a key player in managing inflammatory conditions. Ginger, on the other hand, complements turmeric beautifully with its own anti-inflammatory compounds such as gingerol, which can help soothe discomfort and support digestive health. What sets this tea apart is the synergistic effect of those 2 ingredients. When consumed together, they create a formidable defense against inflammation, potentially providing noticeable relief within just a few days. Many people find that incorporating turmeric ginger tea into their daily routine helps alleviate symptoms related to arthritis, chronic pain, and even digestive issues. However, there's a crucial component you cannot overlook: black pepper. It contains pepperine, a natural substance that significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Without black pepper, your body might not fully utilize the anti-inflammatory benefits that turmeric has to offer. Just a pinch mixed into your tea makes a world of difference. To make this a daily ritual, steep freshly grated ginger and turmeric in hot water, add a sprinkle of black pepper, and sweeten with honey or a dash of lemon for added flavor. Not only will the warmth of the tea be comforting, but it will also become an enjoyable part of your day. Over time, as you consistently enjoy turmeric ginger tea, you'll likely start to feel the difference. Less discomfort, improved digestion, and an overall sense of well-being. Now, this next hack is going to help you boost your immune system like never before. The very delicious and nutritious berry smoothie, a fantastic addition to your anti-inflammatory diet that's as enjoyable as it is beneficial. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are celebrated for their high antioxidant content, which also plays a crucial role in combating inflammation at the cellular level. Antioxidants found in berries, particularly anthocyanins, have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Blueberries in particular are often hailed as superfoods due to their rich concentration of these powerful compounds. Numerous studies suggest that regular consumption of blueberries can lead to reduced markers of inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Strawberries also contribute significantly to these antioxidant boosts. They are rich in vitamin C, another potent antioxidant which not only supports the immune system but also has anti-inflammatory properties. Eating strawberries can alleviate symptoms associated with chronic inflammation such as joint pain and swelling. Raspberries add another layer of benefit to your berry smoothie. They contain ellagic acid, a compound that has garnered attention for its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. This makes raspberries a valuable ally in health focused diet, especially for those managing inflammation. Creating a berry smoothie is simple and can be tailored to your taste preferences. Combine a handful of your favorite berries with a base of yogurt or almond milk. For an added health kick, consider including a banana for natural sweetness, a scoop of protein powder, or a tablespoon of ground flaxseed or chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. These additions will enhance the smoothie's nutritional profile while further aiding in the reduction of inflammation. You'll feel rejuvenated in just a few hours. Before I dive into the next hack that will keep you hydrated and happy, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to be your healthiest yet. The third drink is beetroot juice, a visually striking beverage that packs a powerful punch for your health. Known for its deep red color, beetroot juice is rich in nitrates, which are converted in the body into nitric oxide. This compound is essential for improving blood flow by relaxing and dilating blood vessels, which can enhance cardiovascular health and even boost athletic performance. In addition to its circulatory benefits, beetroot juice has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, making it a great choice for post-workout recovery. However, it's crucial to consume it fresh. Many store-bought versions may contain added sugars or preservatives that can diminish its health benefits. If you incorporate fresh beetroot juice into your routine, you might start to notice improvement within just a week. Now let's move on to a drink that will invigorate your mornings. Next up is simple lemon water, a delightful and refreshing drink that not only quenches your thirst but also offers remarkable health benefits, particularly in relation to inflammation. This vibrant beverage is celebrated for its detoxifying properties, especially concerning the liver. Regular consumption of lemon water can support liver function by promoting bile production, which assists in efficiently flushing out toxins from the body, ultimately reducing inflammation. Furthermore, lemon water is an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in combating inflammation. By boosting your intake of vitamin C through fresh lemon water, you are providing your body with the tools it needs to fight inflammation effectively. It's important to emphasize using fresh lemons rather than bottled lemon juice. Bottled options may contain added preservatives and sugars and may not deliver the same nutrient potency as freshly squeezed juice. Fresh lemons retain all their natural goodness, ensuring you get maximum anti-inflammatory benefits. Many people experience an uplifting boost of energy almost immediately after drinking lemon water. Having enjoyed the refreshing benefits of simple lemon water, let's now turn our attention to another fantastic beverage, pineapple juice. This tropical delight is more than just a tasty treat. It's a powerhouse when it comes to reducing inflammation in the body. Pineapple juice contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain helps to break down proteins, aiding digestion, but its primary function in your body is its ability to reduce swelling and inflammation. Studies have shown that bromelain can significantly alleviate symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, sinusitis, and even sports injuries. By incorporating pineapple juice into your diet, you may experience a notable decrease in inflammation, providing relief in a surprisingly short time frame, often within just a few hours. In addition to bromelain, pineapple juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which contribute to a healthy immune system and further combat inflammation. Let's turn our attention to a drink that's gaining popularity for all the right reasons: coconut water. It's not just a trendy choice, it's a powerhouse of nutrition that promises real health benefits. Coconut water isn't just a fashionable drink, it's a scientifically backed elixir for cellular rejuvenation. Unlike commercial sports beverages that are packed with artificial additives, this natural gem offers a perfect balance of electrolytes, helping to combat inflammation and enhance overall body hydration. Keep in mind that not all coconut waters are the same. Choose varieties that are 100% pure. Now that I've explored the numerous health benefits of coconut water, let's shift focus to another exceptional beverage, green tea. This ancient drink is celebrated not only for its comforting qualities, but also for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are a group of polyphenols known to combat inflammation throughout the body. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals that can cause oxidative stress, a significant contributor to chronic inflammation. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to reduced markers of inflammation in the body, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage inflammation naturally. You may start noticing improvements relatively quickly, often within a few days to a week of consistent intake. Many people experience reduced swelling and discomfort, especially if they suffer from inflammatory conditions like arthritis or chronic pain. One thing to note is that green tea has a slightly bitter taste that might not appeal to everyone. However, you can easily enhance its flavor by adding a spoonful of honey or a splash of lemon juice. This not only improves the taste but also boosts the antioxidant content of your drink, creating a synergistic effect with the existing compounds in green tea. Continuing my exploration of beverages that support inflammation reduction, let's dive into the incredible benefits of moringa tea. Moringa, often referred to as a drumstick tree or miracle tree, boasts an impressive nutrient profile filled with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This leafy powerhouse is particularly recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their overall health while combating inflammation. The leaves of the moringa tree are rich in compounds like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and various polyphenols which have been shown to effectively reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Regular consumption of moringa tea can support joint health, alleviate symptoms of arthritis, and potentially improve recovery times for those experiencing exercise-induced inflammation. Many users report noticeable benefits within just a few days of incorporating moringa tea into their routines, making it an accessible and potent ally in managing inflammation. However, it's important to brew moringa tea correctly to fully enjoy its benefits. Steeping it for too long can result in a bitter taste that may not appeal to everyone. Aim for a steeping time of around 3 to 5 minutes to achieve a pleasantly mild and earthy flavor without the bitterness. You can also enhance the taste by adding a touch of honey or a slice of lemon, which can complement the tea's natural qualities while providing additional health benefits. In contrast to other drinks like coconut water and green tea, moringa tea stands out with its unique nutrient profile that specifically targets inflammation in a highly effective manner. By adding moringa tea to your collection of health-conscious beverages, you can diversify your approach to managing inflammation while enjoying a soothing, delicious drink that supports overall well-being. If you like this video, check out this next one here. Timing is everything. When to take your vitamins. Thanks for watching.